The Amish are known for simple living and for growing very big, healthy vegetables. What's special is that they do it without using any man-made chemicals. No fake fertilizers, no strong bug sprays, only natural ways that have been used for many years. They trust the soil, the seasons, and hard work. Their vegetables grow big and tasty by staying close to nature. In this video, we will show you how they do it step by step. If you want to learn about natural farming, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. The Amish predominantly use heirloom seeds, non-GMO, open-pollinated varieties passed down through generations. These seeds have been selected over decades for their hardiness, taste, and size. Unlike commercial hybrids, heirloom seeds allow Amish farmers to maintain complete control over their crop genetics. They save seeds from their best produce each year, ensuring that only the most successful plants contribute to future harvests. This tradition not only preserves genetic diversity, but also tailors plants to the specific microclimates and soil conditions of each farm. Over time, this practice results in vegetable strains that naturally grow larger and more robust, entirely without the need for synthetic growth enhancers. Amish farmers view soil as a living ecosystem, believing that healthy soil yields healthy plants. They enrich their fields using composted animal manure, green manures like clover and vetch, and organic matter such as straw, corn stalks, and kitchen scraps. These practices enhance the humus layer, improving moisture retention and fostering microbial life, essential for nutrient cycling. To adjust soil pH and structure, they incorporate wood ash, which supplies calcium and potassium, aiding in neutralizing acidic soils. Regular soil testing allows them to monitor and correct deficiencies in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. By naturally balancing the soil, Amish farmers create optimal conditions for robust vegetable growth without synthetic fertilizers. Crop rotation is a central pillar of Amish farming. By alternating crops annually, they avoid the buildup of pests and diseases that target specific plant families. For example, heavy feeders like corn and squash are rotated with legumes such as beans and peas, which fix nitrogen in the soil. This practice keeps nutrient levels balanced and eliminates the need for artificial fertilizers. Rotating crops also helps maintain biodiversity and reduce soil-borne pathogens. Amish farmers often follow a 4 to 5 year rotation plan, ensuring that each plot of land gets rest and renewal over time, a method proven to support better plant health and larger vegetable yields. Instead of leaving fields bare, the Amish plant cover crops during the off-season. Rye, clover, buckwheat, and hairy vetch are popular choices. These plants prevent erosion, suppress weeds, and capture nutrients that would otherwise leach out of the soil. When the cover crops are plowed under, they decompose and return valuable organic matter to the soil. This process, known as green manuring, enhances microbial activity and improves water retention. It also reduces the need for irrigation during dry spells. The result is soil that stays fertile and productive year-round, setting the stage for large vegetable growth during the primary growing season. Amish farmers prioritize composting to enhance soil health and fertility. They compost animal manure, crop residues, vegetable scraps, and wood shavings in large piles, regularly turning them to aerate and promote decomposition. This process reduces the volume of waste by 40 to 70% and produces compost rich in beneficial bacteria and fungi, essential for nutrient cycling and plant growth. The resulting dark, crumbly compost is applied directly to fields or used as top dressing, feeding vegetables slowly and steadily. Compost enhances soil structure, retains moisture, and prevents nutrient runoff, contributing to long-term soil fertility. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, compost fosters a self-sustaining cycle, recycling organic materials and continually enriching the land. Amish farmers employ natural mulches like straw, hay, shredded leaves, and grass clippings to cover the soil around their plants. This practice insulates the ground, retains moisture, and suppresses weed growth. In hot weather, mulch keeps roots cool. In cold spells, it provides insulation. As the mulch decomposes, it adds organic matter to the soil, enhancing its fertility. Studies indicate that organic mulching can reduce soil evaporation by up to 33%, conserving water and reducing irrigation needs. Additionally, mulching supports the soil microbiome, fostering beneficial bacteria and fungi that contribute to plant health. This method also provides habitat for earthworms, which naturally aerate and fertilize the soil. By utilizing natural mulches, Amish farmers maintain soil health and productivity without relying on chemical herbicides. Amish farmers manage weeds using hand tools, hoes, and horse-drawn cultivators, avoiding chemical herbicides. This labor-intensive method allows precise weed removal without harming crops or soil life. Regular manual weeding loosens compacted soil, enhancing air and water penetration, and stimulates root development. Studies indicate that without effective weed control, crop yields can decrease by up to 50 to 90%. Hand weeding not only prevents such losses, but also supports soil health by minimizing disturbance, reducing erosion, and preserving beneficial microorganisms. Although time-consuming, this practice enables close monitoring of plant health, contributing to the growth of robust, high-yielding vegetables. Amish farmers employ a holistic, chemical-free approach to pest management, emphasizing prevention and ecological balance. They utilize crop rotation and companion planting to disrupt pest life cycles and attract beneficial insects. For instance, marigolds are planted to deter nematodes, while dill and fennel attract predatory wasps that feed on harmful pests. Physical barriers like row covers and netting protect crops from insect infestations without harming pollinators. When necessary, they apply homemade sprays made from garlic, neem oil, or soap to target specific pest issues. Neem oil, derived from neem tree seeds, disrupts insect feeding and reproduction, and is effective against pests like aphids and whiteflies. This integrated strategy maintains a healthy garden ecosystem, reducing the likelihood of pest outbreaks and eliminating the need for synthetic pesticides. The Amish community's commitment to sustainable farming practices is exemplified through their meticulous seed-saving techniques. By selecting seeds from the most vigorous and productive plants each season, they ensure that their crops are naturally adapted to local conditions, resulting in unusually large and healthy vegetables. This generational tradition not only preserves genetic diversity, but also enhances the resilience and productivity of their crops over time. The Amish's approach to seed saving underscores the importance of maintaining agricultural biodiversity and offers valuable insights into sustainable farming practices that prioritize environmental stewardship and food security. Amish farmers spend time in their fields every day, carefully watching plant health, soil moisture, and signs of pests. This close attention helps them spot problems early and take quick action, such as adjusting watering, adding extra mulch, or removing pests by hand. They also follow traditional knowledge, including almanacs and moon phases, to decide the best times for planting, harvesting, and crop rotation. This hands-on, observant approach creates a balanced garden ecosystem that modern large-scale farms often lack. Their deep connection to the land and daily care help produce stronger, healthier vegetables without relying on chemicals or machines. Amish farms often integrate livestock with crop production, utilizing animals like chickens, cows, and horses to enhance soil fertility and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. For instance, horse manure can be composted, reducing waste volume by 40 to 70% and providing an ideal nitrogen-carbon ratio for composting. Additionally, integrating livestock into cropland improves soil health by increasing microbial activity and nutrient availability, which enhances soil fertility and structure. This approach not only reduces reliance on chemical inputs, but also contributes to a more sustainable and ecological farming system. The Amish community thrives on cooperation and mutual support. They often share tools, labor, seeds, and knowledge, fostering a strong sense of unity. This collaborative spirit is evident in practices like barn raisings, where neighbors come together to build structures for one another. Such collective efforts not only strengthen community bonds, but also enhance farming efficiency. By pooling resources and expertise, Amish farmers can achieve sustainable agricultural practices without relying on modern technology. This approach underscores the importance of community in maintaining traditional farming methods and ensuring the success of their agricultural endeavors. The Amish show us that you don't need chemicals to grow big, healthy vegetables. With simple tools, natural compost, and old farming methods, they grow food that's both rich and safe. Their way of farming protects the land and feeds people well. In today's world, their methods offer hope for a cleaner, greener future. If you like natural farming, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.